Each year, kindness arrives not by chance, but by commitment. Taumeasina Island Resort has once again extended its generous heart to the Samoa Victim Support Group through the donation of towels and beddings to ensure children at the Campus of Hope feel comfortable in their sleep. SVSG President Siliniu Lina Chang warmly commends General Manager Afiola Tuyatanga Nathan Bagno, together with the management and dedicated staff of Taumeasina Island Resort, for their unwavering support and belief in protecting and nurturing our most vulnerable. These acts of giving go beyond charity. They create safe spaces, peaceful nights, and a reminder to all children that they are seen, valued, and cared for by a community that stands with them. We extend our heartfelt appreciation and wish Taumeasina Island Resort continued success, growth, and blessings for generations to come. May your generosity always return to you in abundance. If you believe in our mission to protect families and support survivors, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to help us reach more people.